What are you doing?
Snow tubing, apparently.
Woo!
How much further? Why am I the only one back?
No, it doesn't matter which way you sit. Look at this beautiful scenery. You ready to go to your death?
No, I'm not.
Have fun.
No, I really don't want to go. Can't we do the easier one? You're really not nice. I don't understand what I've done to you.
This is for all those times, honey. This is all, it's just this.
Yeah, that's not bad, I guess. We still are very high up.
Hope Emma's not still screaming her head off.
Why do you have that like sinister look on your face? Like I shouldn't be doing this.
Just hold on.
Wait, we're going over the edge here, hello?
Is that right?
What do you mean it's alright?
Like in Desperate Housewives. I hear Emma screaming.
You're watching, okay, we're really close to the edge.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Have fun.
No?
Hold on. Hold on.
Right